The last functionality I want to show you is how you could go about utilizing the draft expert in order to create auxiliary services. So this would essentially be pipes that I'm going to show you next. Before I do so, I'm going to work with my name filter, and I only want to work with codes starting with CULV, and then put in an asterisk for wildcard characters. You can also specify a specific surface if you wanted to. Going to my display settings, I'm going to turn on those point symbols again. Now if the name isn't displayed, the symbol would also not be displayed. So in this case, I'm just want to display the first 5 lines. Right click and render view. Changing my viewport, you can see these surveyed symbols indicating the position of the culverts. We go back to the draft expert functionality and import the culvert files. What is important with these culverts is that you import it as a chain line, because essentially we want to use the auxiliary services, and the auxiliary services wouldn't work with polylines. I've saved the settings before, so I can load these settings. Looking at all the culverts, I'm utilizing chain lines. Going to zoom last. We've just brought in that line, and looking at the properties, you can see it's a normal CAD line. If I now go to auxiliary services, I can import drawing, specify the destination layer and which layer the links are saved on. Click on OK. If we were to go to the auxiliary service editor, you'll see it's gone and created that additional tab there. To save us time, I'm just going to go and copy the existing information and paste it to our newly created culverts. Closing the auxiliary services editor, going to our display settings, ensuring that the existing service is off, but the new one that we've just created is on. Right click, render view, changing the viewport, you can see we've now gone and created these auxiliary services.